I declare you graduates of Dorsu 2025. Congratulations!
Hi guys, new day, new vlog. So this is the most special day kay karon ang graduation namo. Then nakaligo na ko. Mag-prepare na kay hapit na dire ato ang toga. Padulo na mig restaurant guys. Grabe ka traffic guys, ganina rami diri abang pa dyan may nakaabot dito mag 20 minutes na wala pa Japon. Bagta sa nga dito Hindi nga din ma. Pasalod namin guys. Grabe ganda ng tao. Loy aka mo agi. Dili na ta. Nalate pa siya din. Okay, kabot pa. Mga kamala cinema yan yung parents sa sine. Ang ko cinema la.
Kamu makan.
Ato pinag. Ay naman.
Dungan mo ma'am ha? Dungan mo. Sige, abante. Dungan ha? Kanaman yung sa atbang.
Kini kanan dato. Sunod lang kang ang kulat ko, no? Last year, sunod ko, no? Tubig, ah. Annalyn! Pwede na mo yung gamay lang. Oh, ano yung kayo do?
Hi guys.
Hindi naman na.
Hindi kayo naman. Nangangkul na mo guys. Aglas na po.
Ah.
Bachelor of Elementary Education. From the Faculty of Nursing and Allied Health Sciences. 99, Bachelor of Science in Nursing. From the Faculty of Humanities, Social Sciences and Communication. 37, Bachelor of Science in Development Communication. From the Faculty of Criminal Justice Education, 112, Bachelor of Science in Criminology.
I declare you graduates of Dorsu 2025. Congratulations!
Congratulations to the graduates of the Davao Oriental State University class of 2025.
Baso, Winil C. Bauto, Rhea Luz M. Angeles II D.
At higit sa lahat,
at higit sa lahat,
sa Diyos.
sa Diyos.
Ma, Pa, Inday, your selflessness didn't go unnoticed, and your love is reciprocated and will be reciprocated a million folds.
Here's to the moment we shaped who we are. Together the hands we chase and we start. The both are ready, words in our hands, a new beginning. It's time to stand. Let our story make it shine. Together forever, across all time.
Picture taking na po tayo guys. Ay guys, manguli namin. Mala.
Guys, muli namin.
Manguli namin. Ulanon na.
Ha?
Apil kami yan.
Hey, Batadan. Thank you.
Yatos.